A very warm morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Myself, Shubhangi Shukla from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. So kids, today we will do reading practice of sounds of A. Okay, today we will do reading practice of sounds of A. Okay kids, so take out your book, pre-primer. Take out your pre-primer book and open your page number 14. Okay kids, open your page number 14. Don't forget to mention the date and the classwork on the top. Okay kids, so get ready. So kids, as you can see, one question is written over here. Okay, so let's read the question first. What is written over here? L-O-O-K. Look. A-T, at. T-H-E, the. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. C-A-R-E-F-U-L-L-Y, carefully. A-N-D, and. R-E-A-D, read. T-H-E, the. W-O-R-D-S, words. A-L-O-U-D, aloud. So what does this make? Look at the picture carefully and read the words aloud. What is the meaning of this question, kids? We have to look at the picture. As you can see over here, some pictures are there. Okay, so we have to look at the picture and we have to read the words written next to them. Okay kids, so pay attention over here. As you can see in this picture, here one vehicle is there. Can you please tell me which is this vehicle? Yes, this is a car. This is a car. So what is the spelling of the car? Yes, C. C, what is the sound of C? K. C stands for K. A-R, R. Together will make car. C, K, A-R, R. Together makes car. Come on the next one. Here is one boy standing. Okay, this boy is wearing one cap. This boy is wearing one cap. So, sound of C, I just told you over here, is K. And AP stands for app. Together will make cap. C, K, AP, app. Together makes cap. Now, here one rat is there. Okay, so what is the spelling of this rat? Yes, you are right kids. R-A-T. R-A-T. R, what is the phonic sound of R? R. And A-T, at. Together makes rat. R-A-T, rat. Here, this rat is sitting in a hat. This rat is sitting in a hat. So kids, what is the spelling of hat? Yes, as you can see, H-A-T. H-A-T. What is the sound of H? H. What is the sound of H? H. A-T stands for at. Together will make hat. H, at, hat. Okay kids? Now, here one boy is there and this boy is very sad. Okay? Okay kids? So, next to this boy one spelling is written. What is this spelling? It is S-A-D. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Now, what is the sound of S? It is S. S stands for S. And A-D stands for add. S, add. Together makes sad. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Okay? Now, which is this animal kids? You know this one. Which is this animal? This is a cat. This is a cat. What is the spelling of cat kids? Yes, you can read from here. It is C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Now, what is the phonic sound of C? C stands for K. C stands for K. And AT stands for at. K, at. Together will make cat. C-A-T, cat. Now, here one can is kept. Okay. What is kept over here? One can. Okay. So, what is the spelling of can? You can read from here. It is C-A-N, can. It is C-A-N, can. Now, I just told you what is the phonic sound of C. The phonic sound of C is K. The phonic sound of C is K. And A-N stands for an. Together, K, an. Together will make can. C-A-N, can. Now, who is he? Kids, who is he? He is a man. He is a man. So, as you can see, spelling of man is written over here. What is this? M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Now, what is the sound of M? M. And A-N stands for N. Together, M, N, man. Together, man. Okay. Now, here this boy is playing with some bat. Okay, what is this? This is a bat. Tell me, what is the spelling of bat, kids? Where is the spelling of bat written? Yes, over here. So, what is the spelling of bat? It is B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Now, what is the phonic sound of B? Yes, it is B. What is the phonic sound of B? B. And A-T stands for at. B, at. Now, together we'll make bat. B-A-T, bat. Okay, kids. Now, what is this, kids? What is this kept over here? Yes, this is a bag. You also bring bag to the school, no? The same bag. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. What is the sound of B? I just told you. Yes, it is B. B stands for B. And A-G stands for egg. Together we'll make bag. B-A-G, bag. Okay, kids. Now, let's read all the pictures and with their spellings once again. Okay. Now, let's see the picture once again, kids. Pay attention over here. Okay, which is this vehicle? I told you this one. Which is this vehicle? This is a car. This is a car. What is the spelling of car? C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. Very good, kids. What is this boy wearing? What is this boy wearing? Yes, you are right. This is cap. This is a cap. What is the spelling of cap? Yes, C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Now, what is this? Which animal is this, kids? Yes, this is a rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. And this rat is sitting in a hat. This rat is sitting in a hat. So, what is the spelling of hat? Yes, you can see over here. It is H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Very good, kids. Now, come on the next spelling. This boy is playing with a bat. Very good. You also play with the bat, no? Yes. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Very good. Now, this sad boy. Okay. What is the spelling of sad? Yes, it is written next to this boy. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Now, kids, what is this? Which is this animal? Yes, which is this animal, kids? This is a cat. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-N-T. C-A-T. Cat. What is this? What is this kept over here? Yes, this is a can. This is a can. What is the spelling of a can? You can look over here and read it. C-A-N. Can. C-A-N. Can. Very good, my dear kids. Now, who is he? I told you. Who is he? He is a man. He is a man. What is the spelling of a man? It's written over here. M-A-N. Man. M-A-N. Man. Now, what is kept over here next to this man? This is a bag. This is a bag. And what is the spelling of a bag, kids? Yes, you can read it from here. You are right. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. So, kids, you have to read this picture from your pre-primer book, okay? From your page number 14. Okay, kids? See all the pictures very carefully and read all the spellings with your phonic sounds as I told you. Okay? Practice this at your home and stay home and stay safe. I hope you like the video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.